Okay guys, it is Thursday. Getting my day started. Nice cup of coffee. And we'll get this day going. Going to figure out what we're doing on a few cars today and do my normal end of the week cleaning of the shop. I'll let you guys see what we're doing as we're doing it. Alright, we got the new wiring harness in for the 76 C10. Got most of it run in the front. Got some of it run in here and got a lot of it run to the back. So now we're going to finish wiring this thing and then fire her up. When she's fired up, then I'll finish the body work and she'll be up for sale. Okay guys, she's not looking too shabby. Okay guys, like and subscribe, and we will see you after the weekend.